Hi, today we are going to be taking an unbound review of ECOSiP. ECOSiP COLLAPSiBLE STRAW. It's a reusable metal straw. So, a couple questions I'm going to get out of the way first. Is this thing a life straw? Answer, no, it's not a life straw. So if you think, oh hey, I found like a little hole in the ground that's full of dirt and dead bugs and just disgusting. I'm gonna put a straw in there. I'm gonna drink nice, sparkling, clear, clean water. No, you're not. If you put this in there, you're gonna be tasting dirty, disgusting, bud-filled, icky, yucky water. If you want a life straw, go out and buy a life straw. Okay, most life straws are a couple times used and then you throw them away. Although I have seen some new ones come on the market where they got a little filter in there. Well, I mean the other ones had a little filter in there, but these ones, you get a couple uses and then when the filter's dead, you just take the filter out, throw away the filter, buy a new filter, put a new filter in it, and you can continue to use your same life straw for a lot more times instead of the other ones where once they're done, you throw away the whole life straw and then you gotta go buy another life straw. So, just to let you know, this is not a life straw, okay? So if you think you're gonna find, like I said, a dirty, icky, yucky, bud-filled mud pile with sand, hole in the ground, the animals defecated in, type of thing, and you drink this and it's gonna be yummy and clean. No, it's gonna be dirty, yellow, brown. It's gonna be disgusting. You're gonna probably get dysentery. You're gonna get sick. So this is not one of those type of straws, okay? Another thing that I'm gonna get out of the way. I have won this through a Amazon giveaway. No, it has not been on anyone's YouTube channel. Like anyone said, "Oh hey, click on this YouTube channel and you get a chance to win this." No. What you do is you go to Amazon, the actual Amazon site. If to focus, you go there. You log in with your Amazon account information. Just like how you usually would. And then you just play little games to try to win them. So, for example, like here's what it is. Let me kind of get the camera to focus in a bit. So it's worth $14.99. So about a $15 product is what it costs. Now it comes in all different colors for the cases. As we can see, white, blue, pink, yellowish, green. Like metallic silver is gray, and then a black one. Okay, it's made by ECOSiP, so that's what it is. And yeah, so now let me go here to show you how it is. So you go on Amazon.com, or if you have the app, click on the app, give it a second to load, and then let's see, right there. See where it says mystery giveaway? Boom, you click on that, and then okay, say for example, I want to win this verter desk. You've seen those commercials where you can sit, stand. You see this? Click on the little package and dun dun dun. Nothing. So I did not win. If I would have won, that would have been $150.44 of that desk. So I didn't win. So what you do is don't know why it backed up, but anyway, come on. Where is it? There's a whole giveaway page here a second ago. Okay, see all giveaways, I guess you gotta do that. And then there's, all different giveaways. So like, for example, if I wanted to win this power bank, which I already did entry for that. Let's see if there's something else real fast than that. Okay, let's see if... So usually it's this little box that pops up, or let me see if I can see one of these other ones here. No, that's still a box. Come on. No. No, come on. Maybe this one would have it. Yeah. Okay, or if you don't see that little box, someone would say hit the video, play the video, and after 15 seconds you hit continue, and then you see if you won. And then there is some that you gotta type little things in, like it'll give you a little test, and then you gotta type the letters in, like Y2K47DA, and then you see if you won. So there's really 3 ways that they try to make you enter. Quit the bots, watch the video for 15 seconds, or type in the letters, which is very rare. Usually it's quit the bots or watch a 15-second video. Those are what usually pops up on here. But anyway, I know we've seen a lot of giveaways that's like, oh hey man, it's a free giveaway. Like, on YouTube channels where they're like, oh, you know what, it's a giveaway time. I'm giving away this thing, it's a free giveaway, type of deal. And then like, after like 2 to like maybe seconds into maybe like, I don't know, a minute or so, they're like, oh yeah, if you win, you gotta pay like $10 for PayPal. And then the other ones are even more dirty and disgusting YouTube channels, which YouTube needs to step up and cut that BS and say free giveaway means free. The other ones, not only would they ask the winner to pay like $10 through PayPal, they will also want a photo ID. Okay, that raises a lot of suspicious questions and red flags and yellow tape and stuff. Like, why does that said YouTuber need to know what I look like? Need to know the color of my eyes, the color of my hair, my height, my weight, my blood type, am I an organ donor or not? Why does that YouTuber need to know that information? The only people that need to know that is, if you're buying like smokes for like a cigarette place, if you're buying alcohol, for cops, doctors, paramedics, the hospital, those are the only people that should really know your information on your ID, not these YouTubers. They should not ask for a photo ID. And if they have things that are, supposed to be, adult, giveaways, like giving away a knife, or giving away an upper or lower receiver for a gun part, or, giving away vape mods, tanks, or juice, which, a lot of these vape things, they don't work together. You gotta have a battery, and a tank, and a mod, and a juice, and the cotton, and the coils, and all that jazzy stuff to go in there and stuff. It's not like, oh hey, it's like one whole thing. It's not like, oh yeah, it's all in one. You just do it and it's done. You gotta have other stuff to go along with it. YouTube, they do have these things called age restrict videos. You enable that, and only people who get certain age can watch that video. So YouTubers, step up, take responsibility, stop being dirty and disgusting. Little giveaways, okay? If you give it away free. That's what here Amazon did. They gave it away free. They said, look, this company called ECOSiP, they paid $15 for the pot. They paid for the sales tax, which I think was like $1.48, and then whatever the shipping is, which I'm assuming is probably like around $3 to $5. They said, look man, you want it, you don't pay 1 freaking cent. We're selling it to you absolutely free. You know what that means? That's like, when you go into a store and like, free sample? Do you want to try a free sample? They give it to you, you know what? Free. They give you that sample free. It's not like, oh, would you like to try a free sample of this product today? And then it'll be like, oh, you know what? It's going to cost you 50 cents. Heck, for like $5 I could go over to McDonald's, I could go to Wendy's, I could go to Burger King, get a bit of variant where I get my sandwich, my drink, my fries, and then whatever else that comes with it, But they're like free, like, if you go in the store and you get a free sandwich, we're like, would you like to try a little cocktail party weenie on a toothpick? It's free. Oh, you want another one? Go ahead, have another one. It's free like that. Not like these dirty, disgusting YouTube giveaways where they're like, oh yeah, I'm giving this away, but you wouldn't gotta pay me $10 through PayPal. Or the other ones where not only do they tell the winners have to pay $10, which they're not giving it away for free, they're giving it away to one lucky winner at a reduced discount price. They are legally selling it to the winner. They are not giving it away, they are selling it because they want that money through the PayPal. And then the other ones also not only want the money, they want to know everything about your information. Which means like, what are they doing? Why are they doing it? Why do they want my ID? Are they going to be doing something shady with it on the black market? Huh? Are they trying to be like those little credit card skimmers at the ATMs and, the gas pumps? That raises a lot of red flags. And, take that. YouTube should step up and look into it and be like, look, if you're going to do a free giveaway, do it free. That means you pay for the product, or if you're sponsored, the sponsor will pay for the product, and all you gotta do is pay for the shipping. Don't make the winner pay for anything or show their personal information, their ID and stuff. And then, not only that, there are some YouTubers that would say, hey, you get one free giveaway, and if you want to enter in for like additional 2 giveaways, you know, for additional 2 entries, you know, pay me $5, which is like, okay, that's above beyond BS right there. So, I don't like giveaways that does that. That's what YouTube needs to step in and say, free means free. Like, I already told you about the cocktail hot dog wiener sausage sticks, not sticks, but, you know, on a 2-pit. It needs to be free, like one of those things, okay? Amazon, they know what to do. They do this for free. So, enough talk. Let's get into this. But I know other people was like, look, I went to wish.com. I had the Wish app. And you know what? I got it for free. And it's like, okay. It said, you know, like $10.99 or whatever it is, down to free. But then they say, oh, shipping's $5, bro. So really, you didn't win it from, you know, Wish for free. You had to pay for shipping. So you still paid for a product. You didn't get it free. You didn't win it. It's not like going to a birthday party where, you know, how would you like that if it was your birthday and people gave you presents because it's, you know, your birthday, and then the people that gave you the present was like, oh yeah, I got presents all wrapped up, but you gotta pay me for it. I'll be like, you know what? F you. You're keeping the present, and I'm gonna go out and buy something that I know that I like. Okay. Because otherwise it'd be like, oh man, I got a present, open up, be like, no, great, now I got another one. I gotta go stand on the return line, you know? That's why I say Amazon, they know what they're doing. So, enough chit-chat talk, let's get this thing open. I mean, it's kind of a waste of the product here, of the bag that they put in. Let's